So I wanted to record for you something I learned in PowerPoint not too long ago. Something you probably already know, but I just learned and it helped me reduce my file sizes. So I like to use a lot of pictures. In those pictures, when I crop them, you right click and crop, you can see that there's this gray area that I haven't included, but the pixels in that area that's not being used bulks up your file size. So another good example of one is this image here. You can see how when I cropped this, there's a whole bunch of dead space over here that's making my file size huge that I want to get rid of before I share the file with anyone else or save it. And in order to do that, you make sure that the picture's selected, and you, in the tell me what you want me to do box, you hit compress and it says compress pictures. And I make sure apply only this picture is deselected. Delete cropped areas of pictures is selected. And you can also change the resolution here. Right now I've left it on screen resolution, so it stays pretty small. Hit OK, and now you can see that that area has been cropped out. There's nothing there now, so it's reduced the file size as much as we can for exactly what's being used. So anyways, hopefully you'll find that helpful to reduce your file sizes when you share them. It's just good practice to keep your hard drive clean and to share files with other people and to make things emailable instead of using file exchanges or the cloud. Anyhow, miss you guys. Hope you're having a great meeting, and hopefully this will be quick and painless. Thanks. Bye.